Tax season doesn't have to be a scramble. FreshBooks has dedicated reports that summarize the information you or your accountant needs. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to the Reports section. Key tax reports include the profit and loss, your income and expenses, sales tax summary, total tax collected by jurisdiction, and the expenses report filtered by tax year. Run these reports for the entire tax year. You can export them as PDFs to provide to your tax preparer. My crucial pro tip: run a 1099 report if you pay contractors. If you pay independent contractors over $600, you need to issue a 1099 NEC. Use the expenses by vendor report to get the annual total you paid to each contractor. This makes 1099 preparation a breeze. Walk into tax season organized, confident, and ready. What's your biggest tax time headache that FreshBooks could solve? For more guides on stress-free tax prep, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.